that blocked or narrowed arteries are one of the biggest hidden threats to your heart health. When plaque builds up inside the arteries, it reduces blood flow and increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, and hypertension. But have you ever wondered what actually causes plaque formation and how certain foods can naturally help clear and clean your arteries? Well, your daily diet plays a major role in determining how healthy and open your arteries remain. If you choose the right foods, you can actively reduce plaque buildup, lower inflammation, and keep your arteries clean and flexible. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhuri Vash and I cordially welcome you to the Heart Healthcare Global YouTube channel where you gain accurate knowledge on health, wellness, nutrition, natural healing, yoga, and disease management through holistic care. Artery blockage is the foundation of most heart diseases. Globally, millions of people suffer from clogged arteries without even knowing it. Well, there are some studies that indicate a large number of adults over the age of 20 have some degrees of plaque buildup. Each year, lakhs of people face heart attacks, and many of these are directly linked to blocked or hardened arteries. Now, the good news is your arteries can heal and your plaque levels can be reduced naturally through the right foods and lifestyle changes. So, let's understand which foods can actually help clean your arteries and protect your heart. Oats. Let's begin with the natural cleanser for your arteries. It's oats. They are one of the best foods for removing plaques from your arteries. They are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which binds to cholesterol and helps flush it out of your body. This prevents LDL from sticking to your artery walls. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with flax seeds and banana. Avocado. Now, the next artery cleanser is avocado. They are rich in heart-healthy fats, potassium, vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce LDL, increase HDL, and protect artery walls from oxidative damage. Its antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin help keep arteries flexible and healthy. Nuts and seeds. Well, fats are not good for heart health, but it's not true for every fat like omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and almonds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, prevent clot formation, and lower plaque buildup. A handful of nuts daily can significantly improve arterial health. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains monounsaturated fats and strong antioxidants like polyphenols. These reduce inflammation, prevent LDL oxidation, and protect the inner lining of the arteries. You can use it as a salad dressing or drizzle it over cooked vegetables. But again, consume it in moderation. Beans and lentils. Fibers are extremely good for clearing out cholesterol from your arteries. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are high in soluble fiber that binds cholesterol and prevents plaque formation. They stabilize blood sugar, lower LDL, and support a healthy cardiovascular system. Berries. Now the sixth food is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries contain anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These antioxidants protect the artery walls and prevent plaque from hardening. They also help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Citrus fruits, natural cholesterol removers. See, citrus fruits are a great source of vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and enhance collagen production to maintain blood vessel integrity. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, potassium, and soluble fiber. Pectin fiber in citrus binds cholesterol and helps remove it from the arteries. Citrus also improves blood flow and arterial elasticity. Dark chocolate. Now, the next heart-healthy thing is dark chocolates. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa contains flavonoids that help improve blood flow, prevent LDL oxidation, and relax blood vessels. But remember, consume in moderation. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that lower LDL, reduce inflammation, and improve artery function. Studies show that high green tea consumption reduces the risk of coronary heart disease significantly. Garlic, nature's most powerful artery healer. Garlic contains allicin, which reduces blood pressure, LDL cholesterol, and prevents platelet aggregation. It also helps in dissolving small cholesterol deposits and slowing down plaque accumulation. Regular use of garlic can significantly improve your heart and artery health. These 10 natural foods are not just healthy, they can actively help clean and protect your arteries. A diet rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats can prevent plaque buildup, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. But remember, food alone is not a complete treatment for artery blockage. For long-term and root cause healing, combining a heart-healthy diet with holistic treatments like Bharat Homeopathy can give the best results. Bharat Homeopathic cholesterol managing medicines work deeply by correcting internal imbalances, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and strengthening heart function without side effects. If you have any heart-related concerns or want guidance on natural artery cleansing, you can call us today and talk to us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Heart Healthcare Global YouTube channel for more educational and health related content. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and stay blessed.